2017 JCB 3CX Compact. It's got 3,200 hours. It's got a 4-in-1 split bucket up front with a hydraulic quick coupler. It's got the vertical stabilizers in the back and a side shifting boom. It's got auxiliary hydraulics front and rear. Fleet owned. We've had several of these units in, and boy, they seem to go out pretty quick. It's got a quick coupler in the back. We're going to put a new bucket, backhoe bucket, on the rear. Got really good tires all the way around. Machine will go in the shop and get serviced out, get the bucket installed, get all cleaned up and detailed. Should be ready to go here in just a week or so. This thing's also got 4-wheel steer on the back. It's a real handy little feature for getting in tight areas. You don't see too many backhoes with a 4-wheel steer in this size. This is a 3CX Compact. Nice little machine, 2017 3CX Compact, 3,200 hours. Quick coupler front and rear, 4-in-1 split bucket on the front. Gonna have a new bucket on the back. It's got side shifting boom and vertical stabilizers. 4-wheel drive, 4-wheel steer.